Hello, my name is Errol Chandler, and I'm changing this tire. Really a wheel, but a little bit greasy. How are you? What are you doing today? You doing something? Is it cool? What are people up to these days? They getting into some cool stuff? Been starting to wonder, you know, like, does anyone do anything cool these days? Because it'd be cool if they were. I would come check it out. If it's cool, then why not, you know? I'll check it out. It was cool. I'd love to get there by bike. I love a nice bicycle. Bicycle is the way to be, really, as far as travel goes. For a human, I mean, I'm not knocking cars. Don't get defensive. Cars are great. It's okay. But let's be real. A bike, you know, cars are great until you don't have fuel or energy or whatever. I mean, a bike, it's like, yeah, you eat the burger, then the burger becomes the motion. It's pretty sweet. It's a burger motion. It's a burger motion. Oh yeah, tubage. Already getting tubage. There's pinch tube potential here. Full pinch tube potential, but we're just gonna kind of work it off. Hope for the best here. Flat tire, bummer. But we're gonna see how long it takes to fix a flat tire here. Even at kind of a lazy man's pace. There we go. Come on. Don't you want to get off of the rim? Remove the tire, just one side. And you can kind of do a little squeeze move here. Pop out the tuber. Like that. Let's see. Bam. Okay. That's that. Tubage out. Then, gotta grab your handy dandy bicycle pumperooski.